Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm actually here to share an amazing opportunity with my fellow traders, especially the Nigerian traders. And the name of this broker I use is called Edway. Let's just dive into it. And you can see Edway, your reliable broker for smart forex trading. Let's just dive into it, and let me break down everything you need to understand about this broker and how it will benefit you as a trader, and also making things more easier for you, because you can deposit as low as $1. You can see trade your way, start with just $1. So let's just dive into it. You can see Edway, you can see how beautiful their interface is. You can see trade your way. Every successful trader has their own story and their own way. Yeah, that's true. So you can see a lot of award, Bet Partner Program 2025. You can see there's a lot more award. You can see, and it's a regulated broker. You understand? So let's just dive into the matter here. For those of you that doesn't have an account, click the link in my description box to register with Edway and benefit from them. And if you click the link in my description box, you get a deposit bonus up to 75, and after that you get deposit bonus up to 50% of your deposit. So let's just dive into it. So it's coming up, it's loading, it's coming up. Now it's here. So for those of us that doesn't have the account already, you can just click the link in my description box. It will bring an interface like this. You click on register. After clicking on register, you register with your Google account, your email. You register with your Facebook, or you register by inputting your email and password. So you register with your email, your first name, your last name. Then the next phase will bring you your password creation, and like that you select the currency you want to trade with, and from there you get an account. But since I already have an account with them, I'll just use that one as an illustration for you guys to understand what you're benefiting from Headway broker. So guys, now I'm into my account that I created, and this account, I actually created this account for the purpose of this video, so for it to look fresh for everyone, so it will be easy to be relatable in case you just created your account also. So now here's the deal. In Edway, you have a lot of benefits, like this past Ramadan, there is a challenge also, Ramadan challenge. See all winners. You can see everybody that actually benefited from this challenge. You can see total amount that was collected. You can see $5,800. Like everyone, look at the winners here. So yeah, you can see. So now you already created your trading account. You have your demo account where you can practice. For your deposits, this is the amazing part. In your deposit, you can deposit as low as 2,000 naira. You can deposit as low as 2,000 naira, which is $1 and some cents, which is very affordable for any traders in Nigeria. Like, it's very affordable, because I'm sure in a day you're spending more than 2,000 naira in Nigeria. So, and we all know how expensive everything is. So now this broker allows you to deposit just as low as 2,000 naira, which other brokers don't do. Other brokers will request you, your minimum deposit will be $50, $10, $12, $15. I don't want to mention names. We all know that already. So, and the sweetest part is, once you deposit, their deposit is very fast, very fast and reliable. And if you deposit through the link in the description box, you automatically get a bonus, a percentage of bonus. Since I already registered with the link also, that's why it's bringing this. So imagine you depositing 2,000 naira. See, you're depositing 2,000 naira and you're getting 1.18 cents. So for you to get 1.18 cents, you can see the bonus deposit you're getting also on this 1.18 cents. You can see how sweet is that. Okay, now let's imagine, like, you want to deposit, let's say you want to deposit 50,000, or let's just say you want to deposit $50. Let's just change this to USD for it to make it so it can be more easier. Let's just say $50. So $50 now, you're getting a 50% deposit, which is $25. You can see now your total balance will be, once you deposit it, your total balance will be $75. Since 50 plus 25, it will be $75, which is super cool and very affordable, very fast in depositing, very fast in withdrawing. Also, I really enjoy this broker because it comes a lot with its benefits. Like, the more you trade, the more benefits you get. Let's head to these gift shops. Like this gift shop here, you can see total crown here is 2.00. This is because it's a new account. I just created this account. And another sweet part is this $111 bonus for your first step in trading, in forex trading. So this particular topic here, I will explain this in another video for it to be more easier and understandable. I don't want this to be more complicated or make the video too long for you to watch. So let's just dive into the next one. You come down to this gift shop here. These gift shops, it helps you accumulate more crowns. You can see total crowns here. It helps you accumulate more crowns, and it's sweet. The sweetest part is improve your trading with Headway. Trade lots, collect crowns, and exchange them for guaranteed price. You can see how sweet is that. Pick any item from the list to monitor your progress. You can always change your mind and select another gift, and that is true. You can see the more trading, the more lots you use to trade, the more crowns you get. And for example, this place, you can see there's a laptop here, and the total crowns I need to use to redeem this laptop is 2,915 crowns, which is super achievable with time. You can see there's a lot more you can achieve, like Honda, scooter, instant. So a lot. You can even set a phone as your target, an iPhone, Samsung watch, like even a laptop. Even you can see a MacBook Air M2 and a gaming laptop also. So it's super cool and fantastic for traders like us, like for traders like us that actually need some of this stuff, like as a tool. You can easily trade with this and just set your target. Okay, fine, I want to be trading so and so lots, just to be able to hit your targets. And aside from that, they accept all kinds of Nigerian banks. You can see like the local banks in Nigeria, they accept all kinds of it. You can see if you come to the local bank, they accept OPay, they accept PalmPay, Kuda, because that's the bank we all use here, and it accepts like any other bank except from that. Microfinances bank, like very fast, and is zero commission. This processing time, 15 to 30 minutes, is lesser than that before you get your money into your account. Is actually lesser than that. Because I don't think it's up to 15 minutes before you even get your money in your account. It's very fast and reliable. And the withdrawal also. Now it's showing your account. Verify your accounts now to withdraw funds. Yeah, actually it's a new account. I haven't verified it yet. I'm just using it to illustrate this video. And you can see you can withdraw your money through bank transfer, USDT, crypto. You can see how cool it is. And you can also participate in contest. This contest comes with a lot of benefit also. For those of us that are struggling with capitals, you can register and join their contest. You can see Stock Titan demo contest. You can see price pool 2,125. If I want to join this now, you see, if you are the first place, $1,000, like that. Down, so you can see people are topping the leaderboard already. So you can participate in their giveaways, their demo giveaways. You can see the Ramadan giveaways. The Ramadan is over now, so this one is not active anymore. You can see you can also copy trades. For those of you that don't want to trade, you just want to let someone trade for you, you can copy trade also. And yeah, that's it. That's it, and that's what I really enjoyed about this broker called Edway. And thank you guys for watching. Click the link in my description box to join the Headway community and benefit also, because it's super easy and fast. They also accept MT5, MT4. Like, it's so cool, very fast, tight spread, super fast execution. I really enjoy this broker. So for those of you that actually want to join, just click the link in my description box to join the Headway community. Verify your account, deposit as low as 2,000 naira, and if you want to take advantage of the bonus that comes with you registering, just deposit, like, you understand, just to take advantage of the more you deposit, the more the bonus deposit you get. You understand? So like this video and share, subscribe please, so it can be recommended to other traders, other fellow traders like us that don't have the capital, but at least we're trying. You understand? So thank you. Subscribe, like, and share. Comment also if you want me to explain some things you don't understand. Also, I can actually pick that out and do another video about it. Thank you very much for watching.